My name is Muhammad Khatimi. I'm a student at Rifa Institute of Media Sciences. The reason I'm making this vlog is because I got it as an assignment in university to make a vlog about any personality, and I'm supposed to go up to that person and like ask him about like how his 2019 went by and what plans he has for the upcoming new year.
So it's time now. I got in my car and drove all the way up to our meeting place. So stoked to finally meet Ahsan Irshad.
Could you please give an introduction of yourself?
My name is Ahsan Irshad, and professionally I'm a computer science graduate, but for what he is making a vlog about is my other side. It's the guy who cooks. I'm usually known on social media as the guy who cooks, and as he told you, and you have also seen the footage, I do cooking in the nature with a blend of nature, and I have my own style, and nobody is doing that currently in Pakistan. I have my YouTube channel, I have my Instagram page, Twitter and Facebook page as well. So I make YouTube videos, recipes and stuff like that. So I graduated from ComSat Islamabad in computer science, and after that I also did a job for a year, and then I completely shifted from computer science to this adventure cooking kind of a thing, and right now I am working on many projects. So I'm a resident of Islamabad, and
I'd like to know that how has your 2019 been? How has it treated you so far, and what have you achieved?
it's been a roller coaster ride for me, and trust me that the things I have achieved in this year I have never imagined before. So I featured on BBC Urdu and numerous other news channels, and personal in a question of personal gains, I have learned a lot, and as a gain of in my field as what I do, I gain a lot of things, and finally in this year I started doing what I like. The most important thing I want to tell you guys is that in this year the most amazing thing for me is finally I started studying what I love. That is the most important thing. When I have taken admission in a culinary arts graduate diploma this month in the December, earlier this month, and
Congratulations.
I have never been more happier to study. You know, when I was in university, whenever there was a Monday, I used to think that, oh my gosh,
But now
I
you
have
do.
to
Now
go
you're
to
doing.
study again. But this time I have only three classes on 3 days,
Yeah.
and for 3 hours, and I wait 4 days for my class just to study what I love. So you can imagine how you feel.
Yeah.
So I recommend all of you to do what you love. Never leave your passion, and always keep your passion alive, and it's gonna help you in your life as it's helping me. I have never been happier since I started doing what I love. For you.
Yeah, like the new year that's coming. Do you have any plans or dreams that you want to achieve?
For 2020, I have a lot of things planned, as you know, related to my passion. As my study career is moving forward in this field, in the field of culinary arts as a professional chef. Besides that, I have some other ventures also going. I recently started this venture of food trips. I take people along with me to these nature places, and I cook food for them, and I give them experience, a very unique experience that you do not get in the restaurants or anywhere. It's kind of a blend of a nature and food which is perfect for you in many ways. And this is the thing I want to be. I want it to happen more in 2020, like a professional company, like a proper company, a tour company, which conducts these tours, this kind of a specific tour. So I'll be opening my company, and there is another project going on. In a couple of months it will be up and running, which is about my burger joint. Basically, I am known as a burger guy. Most people love my burgers at these nature places, and so I am starting this small cafe type kind of a thing, which is my dream since I started cooking, to have my own place from where I can give people the love I share with food.
Okay, would you like to give a message for your followers for the upcoming new year?
The only message for the new year I have for you people is, make this year of your dream. Make this year in which you follow your passion. Best luck to you all.